Okay, so if we have to solve the system by graphing, or do we? Is this one of those that we could solve by just getting it in y equals mx plus b form and then deciding by looking at our chart?
Yes.
Okay, so this one would allow you to do either option. So you could either graph it or use the chart. Okay, so solve each one of those and set them equal to y. Get them y by itself.
Based on what you know from your chart from yesterday, what would you choose? Correct. Dependent. So how many switches are you?
Anybody stuck on the algebra of getting y by itself? Dye your hair, what? Okay. So we got x plus 2 here. Okay, so when I move that to the other side, that'd be 6y equals 6x plus 12. Then what do I do to both sides? What do I do to both sides here? Divide by 6, thank you very much. Giving me a grand total of y equals x plus 2. Oh my goodness, what did we just figure out? Thank you very much. It's in the video, even though I'm dumb and didn't put it on the big screen. Sorry. If you just try rubbing your eyes, you'll be able to see it. Okay. What do we notice? They're the same line. And according to that, our chart, which one of those would I be dealing with? That's the dependent one. Same line. How many solutions? Infinite. Whoa. So we wouldn't even have to graph in order to be able to choose the right one. And if you did, how many lines would you be drawing anyway? One. Yeah. I mean, if you need it for practice, that's okay. I understand. Okay, so back to this one without graphing. So that's the one where we need to make the chart and find our M and our B. All right, so go for it. Make the chart. See what we get. Find y on both equations. Divide by what? Divide by 4. 4. Okay, so we get y equals 0.5x minus 3.5. So what are we deciding? What do we notice about the slopes? Same, right? What do we notice about the y-intercepts? That they're different. So what does that mean from our chart? Inconsistent, right? What does that mean? Parallel. Lines are parallel. They do not cross. So you should be able to get y by itself and decide what the slope and the y-intercept are, and be able to use your chart to come up with which one we're dealing with. I think most of you, if you have questions on that one, ask me at a different later, and I'll be happy to go back to that. But that concludes these notes on, I think that's the last one, isn't it? All right, so